In this lesson, we are going to proceed and look at surface display styles. Currently, we have an existing surface displayed on this particular screen, and if we zoom in to see it clearly, we can see that we have the points displayed as well as the border. Now you can change the display of a point by using the display styles. Now let's proceed and expand the surfaces in the prospector tab, and then right click on existing ground surface and then click at edit surface style. Now the current style or the active style is the one that is going to be displayed in this particular editor, and if you click at the information tab, we are able to see the name and the description of a certain style. For example, this is the points and border. Now if you proceed to the surface style directory, you're going to edit or you're going to modify an existing style. Now let's proceed and modify this particular style. Click at the display tab and then click to turn off the display of points, and then click to turn on the display of triangles, and then you can just proceed and click at apply. So as you can see, the display have changed. Now let's proceed and do something else. Turn off the display of triangles. You have seen that they have been displayed, and turn on the display of the contours. In this case, we want to turn on the display of the minor and the major contours. So you can click at this and this as well, and then you click at apply. So we are able to see the contours. Now let's proceed and click at the contours tab, and then we are going to proceed and expand the contour depressions. Scroll and turn on the display, or make sure that the display of depression contours is set to true, and then we can have a tick mark length of about 5, and then you can just proceed and click at apply, and then you can proceed and click OK. Now if you want to modify anything else concerning the current display, you can just proceed and right click on existing ground floor or existing ground surface, and then you click at edit surface style. Let's proceed and change the name for this particular style to border. We are going to change to border, and we can say and contours. In this case, you can even include that there are depression contours. We can say depression contours, and then you can just proceed and click OK. Right click, proceed back to edit surface style, click at the display, and we can change the color for the major contour. We can change the color probably to light blue like that, and then you click OK. You can click at apply. So that way we are able to see the major contours and differentiate them clearly from the minor contours. And then you have a depression contour at this particular point. We also have another depression contour shown at this particular point.